It may be a very unique school year this year of 2020 with COVID, but you still want to commemorate the first day of school, whether you're at home or in person, with a first day photograph. And what better way to make it even more fun than adding a sign to it? I am using chalkcouture to make this sign. These are silkscreen adhesive back transfers, and I'm using chalk paste and scraping it on the transfers and then pulling it off, and it is just so easy to do. Now on that globe you saw me pulling back partway before finishing because you don't want the chalk paste to dry in the screen before you pull it up. But as you can see here, our designs are uniquely detailed and beautiful, but you can be an artist even if you don't feel crafty by putting these together. I'm taking the pencil and the ruler that I'm going to do half off the board just for a different design, so you can place things where you want them and make your own happy masterpiece. If you're interested in having a finished sign, let me know in the comments. If you'd like to get some of the supplies and begin your own crafting experience with chalkcouture, let me know. And of course, if you are interested in making money while you make beautiful things, then I'm happy to tell you how you can become a designer as well. It is so fun to do this. I never get tired of chalking beautiful designs. I hope that you've enjoyed this. Happy first day of school.